In this video, we're going to talk about getting the planer set up so that you can use it. The purpose of the planer is for changing the thickness of the boards that you'll be using. It doesn't make the boards flat, but what it does do is makes one side of the board parallel to the other side. One thing to really be conscious of when you're using the planer, especially with older wood, is that you don't have any nails or screws left in the material. Make sure it's totally clean before you run it through here. To get the planer set up, first you need to know how thick your starting material is. So you just give that a measure and then unlock the two knobs. And then right here, there's a gauge that you can change to set to the thickness of your material. I like to start it, because of uncertainty of how accurate this always is, I like to start it at the same thickness as the material. And then once I have that initial setting, I go ahead and lock down the knobs again. And then come around to the starter and press the green button to get it started. And then you can go ahead and feed through on that initial feed of your material. Probably the biggest danger on this machine would be getting your fingers pinched between the wood and the bed rollers. When this machine starts feeding the wood through, the wood cannot come back out, it only goes forward. So always watch where your hands are in relationship to these rollers. On the outfeed side, make sure you never put your hands inside the rollers, because as I mentioned, the wood won't stop, but it will crush your fingers. Once you've run it the first time and you need to make a change in thickness, and unlock the knobs and just give the wheel about a half a turn for your next pass, and then lock it again, and then you can feed your wood again, and then in the end hit the off switch to turn the machine off.